What's up guys, my name is Faizan Amjed and in this video I will teach you how you can edit your audio in DaVinci Resolve. So first of all, how to import an audio file. Right click here in media pool. If you don't have the media pool, just enable the media pool from here. And now right click and import media, or you can use Ctrl+I and then you can import a media. Or the simple way to import a media or a audio is just drag and drop a file in timeline or in media pool. So how to add audio to a video? Now as you can see, I have an audio track but there is no audio in this video. So how to add an audio to a video? Just drag and drop an audio file below this track and we have our audio. How to sync an audio and video? So I have this file right here. This is a half version of this audio file and this is a full version. So how to sync the two audio file using the waveform? But before we do that, remember you need the same audio file to sync an audio or a video. Now let me just select the audio. These are the two same audio but with different duration. So now right click and now align clips and select based on waveform. Now as you can see, it matched the waveform and sync the audio with this audio file. Now if I play the audio, just let me mute this audio file. This is an audio test and let me just mute this, or I'm just solo this. Now you can listen to this audio. This is an audio test. As you can see, we have the same audio file here. So how to trim an audio, split an audio or cut an audio? Select the blade tool or blade mode and you can add a cut to cut an audio. As you can see, we have a cut. Now you can drag and drop wherever you want this part. So this is the simple way how you can cut an audio. So how to link an audio or attach an audio? As you can see, I have the audio linked with my video. So just enable the link selection and you have the link audio with the video. Now if you want to detach or unlink the video and audio, just uncheck this or enable this and you have the both separated. Now in this example, if you have the both separated video and an audio, so if you link this, then you will notice the video and audio is still separated because these are the both separated file. So what you need to do is just select the both and right click and select new compound clip and create. Now as you notice, we have the both linked. Now if you want to unlink these, once again just enable this and you have the both separated. Now how to remove an audio in a video? So as you notice, if I press backspace, then it will delete my video with the audio. Now I want to only delete my audio of this video, not the whole video. So the one method is just select the audio and press in keyboard D, only D, and it will mute the audio but with the video. So all you need to do is just press once again D, unlinked. Now select the audio only and press T. Now we have the mute audio. Now if you want to completely remove the audio, just press backspace. No delete. Let me show you what happens if you press delete. It will delete your video with the audio. So select the audio, unlinked, and press backspace. So this is how you can delete an audio of a video. Now as I told you before, if you want to mute an audio, just unlinked, select an audio and press D and it will mute the audio of that video. Now how to make fade an audio? So now hover the mouse to the audio. Now as you notice, as I hover my mouse, 2 points appears, one at the start and one at the end. Now you can drag this point to the right side to make it fade and use this point to control the fade value. Similarly, you can select the endpoint, drag this here and use this to control the fade value. Now let me just play my audio and you can listen to the audio. Hi, my name is Faizan and this is an audio test. Hi, my name is Faizan and this is an audio test. So this is how you can fade in and fade out in an audio. Now how to speed up an audio or slow down an audio. Just select the audio, right click and select change clip speed. Now if you want to slow down an audio, then you need the value below 100. Now I want my audio to slow down, so I need to type a value below 100. Now just click on change, and now if you listen to the audio, now as you notice I slow down my audio but the audio duration is increased. So all you need to do is just select this edge and drag this to the right side until this red line appear. So this is my audio slow down. Hi, my name is Faizan and now how to speed up the audio, just right click, go to the clip speed. Now if you want to speed up the audio, all you need to do is just increase the speed above 100. So if I want my audio to speed up, all I need to do is just add a value above 100 and now click on change. Now as you notice I have my audio. Hi, my name is Faizan. Hi, my name is Faizan and this is an audio test. So this is how you can speed up an audio or slow down an audio. So how to clean up an audio. First, drag and drop the audio file in timeline and now go to the fairlight page. Now right click on the track and change the track to mono. Now select this track, delete here. Now go to the effects library and type noise reduction. Now drag and drop this effect on top of our audio. Now you can select a profile to decrease the noise in your video. Now just press space to play the audio and you can check this to loop the audio. Hi, my name is Faizan and this is an audio test. You can switch to different profile to see if that works for your audio. And this is an audio test. Hi, my name is Faizan and this is an audio test. So this is better for my audio, but you can switch to the different profile to see if that works for your audio. Now just close this and it will applied. Hi, my name is Faizan and this is an audio test. Now one more thing you can do is just double click here in equalization, drag this point here and this point here. Hi, my name is Faizan and this is an audio test. Hi, my name is Faizan and this is an audio test. Hi, my name is Faizan and this is an audio test. Hi, my name is Faizan and this is an audio test. Hi, my name is Faizan and this is an audio test. Hi, my name is Faizan. Just draw this pattern as I draw in front of you. Now cross this. So this is how you can clean up your audio in DaVinci Resolve. So I hope you learned something new today. I hope you like this video. Thank you guys for watching and I will see you guys in the next video.